Hello everyone, myself Sarpesh Raj Rai and I am the first year BAMS student at Gomantak Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya and Research Center, Shiroda, Goa. So my topic for the Padarth Vigyan project is Ayurveda's contribution to the modern world. So let's start with the first slide. So basically the world's first surgery was done by none other than Maharishi Sushruta. Maharishi Sushruta, the ancient surgeon, was also known as Sushruta, was an ancient physician and surgeon in the world who is often referred to as the father of surgery and author of the Sushrut Samhita, which is the oldest known text in the world. The text is earliest known as teachings for surgical practices and medical teachings. Dating back to around 600 BCE, Sushruta's contribution to the medicine field includes surgical techniques, teaching surgical instruments, and treatment for various ailments. His work had significant development in the field of medicine and surgery in India and world. Surgeries performed and documented by Sushruta are plastic surgery, cataract surgery, fistula surgery, lithotomy, surgical removal of stones from kidney and bladder, and many more. And the next biggest contribution from Ayurveda to the world is Asia's first human cadaveric dissection, which was performed by Dr. Madhusudan Gupta. Pandit Madhusudan Gupta, born in Bengal in 1800 and died on 15 November 1856, was an Ayurvedic physician translator who was also trained in Western medicine and is credited with having performed Asia's first human cadaveric dissection in 1836 at Calcutta Medical College, that is almost after 3,000 years after Maharishi Sushruta. He studied Ayurvedic medicine at Sanskrit College and was placed to CMC in 1835, where he was fundamental in gathering Indian support for practical anatomy and breaking down the taboos of Hindu for touching the corpse. Despite these discrepancies, this singular act of performing cadaveric dissection became a symbolic moment for the Western medicine to move into India. And the next is man behind introducing Ayurveda to the West. So basically, Dr. Vasanta Lad. Vasanta D. Lad received the bachelor degree of Ayurvedic medicine and surgery from University of Pune, India in 1968 and Masters of Ayurvedic Science from Tilak Ayurvedic Institute in 1980. For 3 years, he served as the medical director at Pune Ayurvedic College and Hospital. In 1979, he started traveling around the world. He used to travel all parts of the United Nations by sharing the science of Ayurveda and its knowledge. In 1981, he returned to Mexico to teach Ayurveda and founded Ayurvedic Institute in Albuquerque, Mexico. Thus, he regarded as the first man from India to introduce Ayurveda to the Western countries. And next is the king of cataract, Dr. M.C. Modi. Murugappa Channavirappa Modi, often referred as M.C. Modi, was an Indian ophthalmologist and eye surgeon. He was born on 4 October 1916 in Karnataka and died on 11 November 2005. Modi was an eye surgeon who performed a record of 7 lakh surgeries and traveled to remote villages of India to hold a mass eye camps where he used to distribute specs and medicine for free even during regular checkup and surgery. He was also known by the name King of Cataract. People used to say him as the incarnation of Lord Dhanvantari. He was awarded by government with Padma Shri in 1956 and Padma Bhushan in 1968. Dr. M.C. Modi also holds a Guinness World Record for performing the most cataract surgery, that is 833 eye surgery in a day for continuous 14 hours, which in 1986, which was the highest in the world. He was also known as the brother who gave vision by his native people. He performed all the eye surgeries free of cost in his entire career. Ex-Kenya President Dr. praises Ayurveda. Ayurveda treatment helped restore the lost eyesight of Rosemary Odinga, daughter of former Kenya Prime Minister. Rosemary Odinga said that she came to India for treatment of her lost eyesight in 2019. When her vision was totally nil, Rosemary Odinga lost her vision in 2017 due to the tumor in her brain, which constricted the vessels and muscles of the eye, and in turn lost her vision. She undergone so many treatments and surgeries around the world. Her family sought for her cure in Africa, Germany, USA, China, but nothing worked for her regaining her eyesight. And at the end, they came to know about the Sri Dhariyam Ayurvedic Eye Hospital in Kerala, and they started her treatment at the hospital under the guidance of Chief Physician Narayan Nambudiri and his team. Within 4 months of treatment, she regained her lost eyesight and returned to Kenya. After that, she visited Sri Dhariyam Hospital with her family for thanking the physicians over there and as well as for her follow-ups. Ex-Kenya PM Raila Odinga thanked PM Narendra Modi and said that he will set up Ayurvedic hospital and clinics in Africa. So basically, there are so many contributions of Ayurveda to the world, but never underestimate Ayurveda at any cost. So I would like to thank Dr. Bishnupriya Mohanty, my mentor, for supporting me in doing this project.